Hi, my name is Nurulaina Binti Sabindo, number matrix BB2110642. The article that I am going to review is Ethical Practice Disclosure of Malaysian Public Listed Companies by Ahmad, Firdhauz, Zainal, Abidin, Hafiza, Aishah, Hashim, Zalailah, Salleh, and Susela, Devi. For a total of 1,115 companies between the years of observation 2012 to 2016, the study analyzes the ethical practices disclosure of 223 firms listed on the main board of Bursa Malaysia for 5 years. This study is using two methodology methods, which are sample selection and measuring ethical practice disclosure. The results shows that Malaysian publicly traded corporation disclosure of ethical practice is still lacking and cause for worry, necessitating regulatory intervention. Based on the result, CEV is increasing as the years go by from 2012 to 2016. According to the article, it is because some businesses make the claim that their goal and vision are fundamentally on doing business ethically. ACT2 shows the highest trend that increased the most during 2012 to 2016. Meanwhile, ACT1 and ACT3 also increased but with small percentage. This evidence can be proof that these companies understand the need of educating staff members about ethics. Other items related to WBP also have increased, but most of the companies are yet to disclose such a policy on their platform. A total of 691 companies, which is 61.97%, have a code of ethics, while 424 companies, which is 38.03%, do not have a code of ethics. In order to maintain compliance with the code of ethics and that workers are always aware of its presence, it is crucial to effectively communicate the code of ethics across the organization. Most businesses incorporate sustainability practices into their daily operations. There was an upsurge in these behaviors between the years 2012 to 2016. Only 10% of the firms in the sample as a whole had such a committee in 2016, as can be observed. This shows that businesses are not yet prepared to form a separate committee to examine ethical behavior. Additionally, while creating a new committee, additional expenses would need to be taken into account. Next is the critique part. In my opinion, this article did not state clearly the objective and question of the study. The author only stated one purpose of this study, and I think the statement is not enough to make the reader understand the content and purpose of the study. Next, this study used a small sample size, which is only 223 companies involved, whereas there are many companies that have been registered under the Bursa Malaysia. This can cause a little injustice towards the company and cause bias in the study. In addition, the writer just relied on the company's annual report and did not use other alternatives. I recommend the writer to identify the main variables or factors the study will focus on. Make sure that the objective is quantifiable and possible to be evaluated subjectively or statistically. Next, writers can search for information using website, articles, and social media to find accurate information and be able to provide accurate results. In conclusion, putting the study into its larger context and examining other sources will aid in the development of a thorough grasp of the subject. It must be well defined and offer a transparent roadmap for the study project. Besides that, regular evaluation and adaptation of policies and procedures based on evolving ethical standards, new risks, and stakeholder expectations is crucial.